Copacabana, guys. Today I'm in Copacabana, Harare. Busy area. Capital city of Zimbabwe. So it's my last day, guys, in Zimbabwe. I'm just gonna show you Harare. For those who don't know Harare. So today is my last day. It's very busy. I'm loving my GoPro, guys. So I'm meeting one of my big fans here. He said, Mr. Brown, don't go without seeing me. So I am trying to see if I can see her. I'm a blogger, I'm a YouTuber. Oh. Yeah, so you go to run content here. Oh. Yeah, yeah. That's a road show. So very busy. Yeah. It's not far, is it? Is it?
Yeah, but
okay, I want to tie my shoes. Ask great manager. I just heard great man's voice, guys. So, Mr. Greatman, how are you? I'm one of your big fans from England. Yeah. Yeah, no problem. Do you mind if I have a picture with you? You don't mind. Guys, I'm just gonna have a picture with Mr. Greatman here. Thanks. I'm from England and I always see you Pama videos, but I've never met you, so I was up there. But I have to go and meet Greatman. Yeah. I'm so excited, guys, to meet Mr. Greatman for the first time. I hope one day you'll come to UK. Yeah, definitely I'll come to support you. Yeah, I'm going back today, but I'm glad at least I've met you. Okay. All right, my brother.
Thank you so much.
All right, Mr. Greatman. He's one of our gospel artists, guys. He's very talented, this man. Very, very talented. For those who want to help him, I will try to take his number. How do I get in touch if I want to help Greatman? Okay, I'm gonna get Greatman's number, guys, for those who want to help him in any way. Please, because it's better. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Greatman.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Baba. I'm so excited, guys. I've met Mr. Greatman. Mr. Greatman. Mr. Greatman, what a Africa. I'm enjoying Harare, guys. So guys, I'm walking to Mikus. I had a great time, guys, in Zimbabwe. It's hot though. Although they are mourning that it's cold. That's Harare is cold. So it's bye-bye Harare, guys. You know, when it's your last day, you're always busy. Only 300 to go to get to 1,000. Then I can monetize my channel. Welcome to Zimbabwe, in the Harare International Airport. This is our international airport, guys. Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport. Arrival departure at Safari.
As mom didn't go to drop off.
I would drop off in 20 watts. To talk about not talk about mangoes to talk about.
Sweetie.
Rasaka rempano ya anoimbira vanhu pamabhekitezi anenge achiridza chinhu chitupu
wachi boso
vana vari kuwachida so vari kuenda kure ipapo
anaenda kure unonga utoenda nyanga
Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls apasi padhuze nerodhi
nemashatrakaita pano baba
tatozoita basa takazoti handekukariba because taida kuenda Victoria Falls
sandi pano pane papa